This is a cold therapy machine that was sent over to me to test for this video. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the setup of this machine as well as a quick demo so that you can decide if this is right for you or not. Let's get into it. The design on this is really simple. As you can see, it's super lightweight. It doesn't have a shoulder strap included. So everything is tuckable inside like so. They give you an instruction manual. They also print the instructions right on the outside of the container as well as on the inside of the lid there. But everything is stored inside. You've got an elastic strap here. You've got the hose, the pump, the pad, everything stores inside, as well as the power outlet and the remote control. Other than that, it's empty inside, just plastic line, kind of like a collapsible lunchbox or something like that. So to set the pump up, you're basically going to insert some frozen water bottles. You can put 4 to 6 bottles in here. I've got 4. And then you're going to fill up the container with water. There is a water line in there to let you know what the max water is. You're going to fill this up with some water. After you put the water in there, basically you're just going to drop your pump down in there. You want to make sure that the pump goes below the water line. Zip it up and it's ready to place on your knee. If you're wondering what this elastic strap is for, basically the rubber side of this pad here goes down. And so if you don't have some thin sweats to put on like I have here, you can use this elastic strap to wrap your knee. That way you protect your skin from this cold rubber being directly onto your skin. It's pretty easy to set up. Basically, you're going to take your pad here, rubber side down obviously. You're going to place this over your knee, grab the elastic straps, run them around. And that's pretty much it for placing it. So basically, your remote control here is super easy to use. You got a power button here, press and hold, turns it on. It's going to energize the pump there, and you got 2 features. So this here side over here sets the time limit for how long the pump will run. And if you need a pause, you can also set the pause interval. So, if you're going to use this here when you go to sleep, you may not want it running just continuously. So you can set it up for, let's say, an hour running, an hour pause. So that's what the remote control is there for. But, very easy to use, very easy to see. And, you can just basically, set it and forget it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Once you got the pad on, you got it all set up, it runs whisper quiet and just circulates cold water around my knee without any mess or fuss. So if you guys are looking for a very easy to use, lightweight cold therapy machine for post-surgery recovery or for injury recovery, you may want to check this one out. I hope this helps.